Hello, my sweet and precious students. I taught these in class, but if you need the video, we're gonna do that so that you've got this information. That's a really large picture of me, so I'm gonna let's get that down. I'm not as important as the math. All right, guys, this is Saxon Algebra 1/2, 3rd edition. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's start right here. Oh, we're on page 240. So guys, these all mean multiplication. We're gonna be talking about scientific notation. Again, scientific notation is a fancy way of writing really big numbers or really small ones. Sorry, I have the hiccups. Okay, so for this guy all right here, it's all just, we're multiplying this times this times this times this. So let me reorder that for you so you can kind of see. I'm sure, oh, that shook the whole table, sorry. So we get 4 times 2 times 10 to the 5th times 10 negative 2. 4 times 2 we know is 8. So 8 times 10 to the, now, when we're looking at this, let's side note this over here. X2 times x3 gives me x to the 5th because I'd have 2 x's, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, that's 5 x's. Notice that even though I'm multiplying the bases, I am adding those exponents. You're gonna do the same thing here. 5 and negative 2 is gonna give me 3, okay? I don't change the 10, but that is my answer. Beautiful, let's try this one. We get 3 times 3, which is 9, times 10 to the 8. 9, 10, 11. 11, bam, that is my answer. Remember, with scientific notation, this first number has to be greater than 1, less than 10. In all these cases it is, but sometimes it will not be. So we'll get to some of those problems. 4 times 6.2. Oh, in fact, that's what we're gonna do right now. 4 times 6.2 gives me 24.8. 24.8 times 10 to the negative 6. Positive 4 gives me negative 2. Now, this is not in scientific notation. Again, it has to be greater than 1. This number has to be greater than 1, less than 10. Greater than 1, less than 10. So I need to move this guy over one direction. So now that I have that, this is going to be 2.48. Now, I made that number smaller because it was 24. Now it's 2.4. I made that number smaller, so I have to make this bigger by 1 bunny hop. So plus 1. If you were making it smaller, you would minus 1. So we got 10 to the negative 2 plus 1 is now negative 1. Power. That is our answer. That is our answer. Guys, these are the practice problems down here on the bottom. I want you to pause the video, do those, come on back and see how you did. All right, first one here, 4, and 4 is 8. Probably, yeah, 8. Guys, I like it when you work downwards in your math. It makes it look a little bit more organized. So work down, not across, right? Don't keep working this way. So 4 times 2 is 8 times 10, negative 4, and 14 gives me 10. 10. All right, let's look at this one. 3 times 3 is 9 times 10 to the 6, and 2 gives me 4. 4. All right, guys, that is literally it for this lesson. I will see you next time.